So, it's Halloween 2021 time. I am starting early, but this displays will be going up on October 1st. And after last year, spending almost $1,000 on dry ice for low-lying fog, I made the leap and purchased the Chauvet Cumulus machine, a low-lying fog machine that uses just fog juice and distilled water. Comes in a flight case. Pretty cool. It uses almost 2 gallons of distilled water in the reservoir. There's a little yellow fill line at the bottom. It takes about 3-4 minutes to warm up, but once it does, you'll get a message here that says ready to Cumulus. The down button actually activates the fog machine, and I've got it at 60% with 2% fan speed. Overall, I think it does a really good job.